Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy red sauce pasta at home. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, garlic, and your favorite chili for that kick. Choose a pasta shape like penne or rigatoni that really grabs onto the sauce. Don't forget to have good olive oil, fresh basil, and some Parmesan cheese on hand for those delicious finishing touches. Now, let's get that amazing sauce going. Start by sautéing minced garlic and chili flakes in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are wonderfully fragrant. Next, add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and a small pinch of sugar. This helps balance the acidity. Let the sauce simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those fantastic flavors to truly meld together. While your sauce simmers, cook your chosen pasta in generously salted water until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Before draining, remember to reserve 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. Then, toss the cooked pasta directly into your simmering red sauce, adding a little of that reserved water to achieve the ideal consistency. Finally, it's time for those delightful finishing touches. Garnish your spicy red sauce pasta generously with fresh basil leaves and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. For an extra layer of richness, a drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil truly enhances the final flavor. Serve immediately and savor every delicious bite. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.